In this video, I will walk you through the process of how to place limit orders on Kalshi step by step, so let's get started. First, you need to log into your Kalshi account on your computer. From your home screen, navigate to your portfolio. Here you will see all of your current positions and contracts. Next, choose the market you want to trade. For example, I'm placing a trade on this specific game market. Click on it to open the trading option. You will see the option to select order type. Change it from the default to buy or sell limit order depending on your strategy. Now decide how many shares or contracts you want to buy or sell. For instance, I'm starting with 1 share. Next, set your limit price. This can be anywhere from very low to very high, like 11% to 99% probability. Kalshi even shows you a payout conversion so you can see how much you will earn if the trade wins. Once everything is set, click Review. Check the details including the amount of contracts and your potential earnings. Then click Submit to place your order. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.